Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. We are working on our solar project. There's a couple ways you can attach wires. You can just kind of twist them tight, slide them in, and clamp them up. You got all these loose wires like this, and they'll be tight. And when you go down the road, they're going to vibrate, they're going to flatten out, they're going to move. Your connections are going to become loose. You're going to lose power draw. They're going to get hot, generate heat. So what we're electing to do is put ferrules. Now, what is a ferrule? A ferrule is a small metal tube like this. It can go and crimp on the wire. So, how do you crimp that? Got to get yourself one of these. You see the hole there? See how that hole gets small? So what we're going to do is we're going to set up, we're going to strip some wire, show you how to do a ferrule. We'll do a few of them, and we're going to ferrule our wires, and then we're going to connect them up in the other video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on, watch all the solar videos. You can do solar panels on your RV yourself. It's not as hard as you think, especially if you've got something like my Thor motorhome where the factory already put the connectors on the roof and brought them down to the wiring center under my dinette. So that's where we're working. Check it out. Once again, use the Amazon links below to shop. I will put this on the Amazon link. I'll also put the ferrule kit. You can buy them as a kit or you can buy them independent. You can buy these in multiple sizes, so make sure you buy the tool big enough for what you're going to do. Everything we got is 10 gauge, so we got the little tool. So we'll see you very soon in the video of furling. So how to ferrule wires. So the first thing we're going to do is pick out the ferrule that fits on the wire. And we know that it's this one here. I'll get a couple of those out. Don't want to lose them because we don't have a lot of them. So this is the ferrule that'll fit on the wire. Now it's got this flared end and it's got this straight end. So the flared end of the ferrule goes up first. So what we want to do is put this on here. We'll see where it's going to be and see where we need to take the wire to strip it. So we need to strip the wire to about here. Again, we got a wire strippers. It has a 10 gauge stripper on it. So we're going to be able to put that here. And we're going to strip the wire. The wire strips like that. Now the ferrule, remember when the ferrule goes on, the ferrule goes this way. So the ferrule goes with the tapered part up. You can see our wire is too long. So what we're going to do is figure out where to cut the wire. Come in and trim my wire a little. And we know where that is. We made a mark. Take this off. We're going to come in with our big cutters and cut the rest of that wire off there. You don't want your wires hanging out beyond your ferrule. Boom. So there you go. You can roll this a little bit. Put your ferrule on. Okay. Now you can see I can bring the ferrule all the way up on the insulation. We don't want to do that. We want the ferrule to be right even here with the end. So hopefully you can see how well I got that by the end. You can slide the tool over it like this. The tool will slide all the way up. You'll be able to see in there like that, and then start closing this tool, and you will find that the tool crimps it on there just like that. That's beautiful. All right. It's got a little flange here, but that's okay. When you put them in, just make sure that the flange is not up and down. Make sure it's clamped. It's going to be clamped this way. So we're going to go ahead and strip the other one. And that's how you ferrule a wire. Trying to make it so it's better fit to the wire. Again, we're going to put the ferrule on. I don't know if we got one that's a little smaller that can actually go on there, but I don't think so. See, I think, yeah, I guess I actually could get that one on there, that ferrule on there. Might be hard to get it through my rubber lug if I do that. So what I probably should do is get the rubber lug on here. Let's push this out. So since we're going to put this rubber lug on here, let's get the rubber lug, let's get this ferrule through first. Let's get this one through second here. Yeah. So our rubber lug is on here. There we go. Put that down there. And it looks like we actually could use these smaller ferrules on this because this does actually fit. So it's probably the better size and the correct one to use. And again, we can put that in there and Yep, that's a much better size fit on the ferrule there. Do another clicking just to make sure. But that's a better fit than this one. So we are going to use these other ones because we don't have the big leg on there. At this point, I'm thinking I am going to change this ferrule. Don't know how hard these are to remove, but let's find out. See, can we put a tool behind it? Can you slide this off of here? I bet you can't. Oh, yeah, you can if you push real hard. So we took that off, and we're going to swap to this other ferrule here. And yeah, that goes on there, son of a gun. And then we're going to clamp this up. There you go. So we got these two ferrules on there now. And what's going to happen with those is they're going to go in these two holes and get clamped. Just like that. We'll push it in all the way and clamp the device. And that'll be a much better connection than if we didn't have ferrules. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ferrule some more wires and be back. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Hey, we appreciate you watching My Two Good Hands. The furrowing video has been complete, but it's just one small part of our solar system on our RV. So we got two wires furled. We're going to figure out the distance for some other wires, get them cut, and we're going to start working on that too. But and we're going to wire this box up and get it in. So let's get started on that video and go back to that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. You don't want to miss the videos. We'll put up this furrowing video and post that prior to the part we actually use the furrows. So it'll be in good order for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Please use the Amazon links below and help support the channel. We do appreciate all the help and support you've given this channel, and we look forward to having you watch the next video. Thanks.